Hey everybody, Rudy here from the Home Improvement Channel with another video helping you fix things around the house. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a malfunctioning burner on a Whirlpool stove. The symptom is the burner will work correctly at first, and then a few minutes later it'll get stuck on high, and then if you walk away from it, you burn your food. I don't think that this problem is specific to Whirlpool. I think it'll work across several different brands. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how to fix it. Coming up right now. Yeah, I just wanted to show you the symptom here of what it's doing. It's good if you can actually see this. That way you'll know if yours is doing the same thing or not. Alright guys, this thing is being uncooperative. It won't act up. Sometimes it works fine, and then most of the time it doesn't. What happens is you'll leave it on medium or whatever and you're cooking something, and then the burner will just stay on high. And it stays on high. You can put it over here on low and it just doesn't quit. And you turn it off, turn it back on, and then sometimes it'll come back and then sometimes it won't. But it's not acting up today, but you're just going to have to take my word for it. It does this like every day except for today when I want it, because it knows it's getting ready to go under the operating table. So that's what's going on. It's just not cooperating. Alright, so let's dive right in. I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is get this cover off of here. You can get to the controls. Obviously, you're going to want to do this with the stove unplugged. You don't blow anything up, including yourself. Alright, next thing you're going to want to do is look at the part that you bought and make sure that you got the right one. It does look the same, the pinout looks the same, so I think we're in good shape there. And then, I know you can't see this, but all I'm doing is pulling the knob off of there. That was no problem. Take a hand screwdriver and loosen the screws. That's it. You got it out in your hand. And then transfer the wires one at a time. You're going to need something to pry these off with, probably. There we go. I'm using this as a lever, just some pliers. Transfer them one at a time so you don't get them mixed up. If you take off two, there's a good chance you'll get them mixed up. Just take your time with this and work them loose slowly. And you probably won't have any problems. And that's it. Put that back. Put the screws back. All this is two screws in the front. You'll see them as soon as you take the knob off. It's just obvious as can be. There's no reason for me to show this. and put the knob back. And I'm going to put the back on and we'll plug it in and see if it works. Okay, I've been testing the stove. Everything's been working fine. So if you have any questions, comment below. If you like this video, click on that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I come out with home improvement type videos all the time. Thanks for watching.